channel, and today I am so happy. You know what? Hey, you remember the Kpomo challenge I did with my husband the last time?
Go before you go chop. My lips are hurting. I drink this thing now, I don't tire.
And we said whoever that takes water first will buy something for the other person. And of course, I was the champion. So guess what? And today my husband got what I requested from him. Ha! Guess what? This is microphone. Actually, I have a mic, like I have the one I've been using, but I just needed a new one. And with this, the voice of angel. Bam bam for your ear. So guys, I'm going to be testing this. So I wanted to show you the remaining items he got for me. So guys, I have the mic on now. Is there any difference? Can you sense anything? Wow! I'm already jubilated. I'm this one is here. Hey, this is the LED light I have been dreaming to have. Actually, I've not really gotten this all this way because I feel like for the meantime the camera I'm using for my videos as in is trying. That's why I've not really bought. The Kpomo challenge now gave me the leverage, now gave me the opportunity to demand this from my husband. Actually, sometimes because I make my videos at night, it doesn't really come out. The food doesn't really come out the way it should. So, but with this now, with this, I believe I'll be having better images afterwards. Baby, waiting can be this one now.
Understand now for the
Oh my god! I need to dance. Give them. I'm loving this. We'll be doing more of a peppered Kpomo something. Maybe the next time will not be Kpomo peppered chicken. So guys, I'm just going to try everything like my body. I'm not feel lamb. I'm going to try. I will set up everything. You see how it's. Let's try it together and see the difference. What am I having here? Wow! I love this. So guys, let's see how. Wow! Right? See how the color is changing. So guys, this is my beautiful face with the light. Is there any difference? Please, can you have the light? Let's try without the light and see how. This is darkness of the world. Please put it on. The good answer. Very beautiful, fine. What is it now? So that's I'm so beautiful. You know what? Don't off that light, David. Wow! Put it off.
Put it up,
Alright, so this is just me trying to show you guys that my husband fulfilled his promise. I love you all. Shall you like this video? Hold on. Please put the red light for me. Good. I'm beautiful, right? I will go the master. Please tell me. I want to read from you in the comment section. Tell me I'm beautiful before I continue. Don't mind me. Please like, comment, subscribe if you're new to my channel. I love you all. Bye.